Howdy everybody, Dr. Arlie Ann Scott, owner and physical therapist with Artistry and Motion Physical Therapy and Wellness. Today we're going to do a movement challenge. We're going to stand on one foot, arms overhead. This is called an airplane. We're going to try to rotate. So I'm going to rotate toward you, slow and controlled, and then we're going to unwind. So rotating down, and then if you want to get really fancy, try it a couple times. I challenge you to try to do it at least 3 times on each leg, as slow and controlled without losing your balance. Let me know how it goes.